Thank you for coming to another listening comprehension. As the assignment is called, it's listening comprehension. That means you will not see the text. You will have to answer all the questions just by listening. The questions will be presented at the end of the story. And of course, we encourage you to go back and listen multiple times to make sure you have all the correct answers. Let's get started. Holding a family together. Robert and George Davis shared their home with another family. A lot of families lived together during the Great Depression of the 1930s. The brothers didn't mind having Elizabeth Johnson live with them. Their fathers worked at the same factory in their village. The owners of the factory had announced it would now operate only 3 days a week, so money was tight. "Father, I have a paper route after school," Robert said. "And I'm going to babysit Ruby Clark," added Elizabeth. They all gave money to their parents to help pay for the home. "We are very thankful for you both," said kind Mr. Johnson, sounding very tired. Mrs. Davis cleared the table and washed the dishes. "You kids go out and have some fun now," she encouraged. Robert, George, and Elizabeth scurried outside. "Let's see if they're dry," squealed Elizabeth. They did not have money to buy new toys, so the kids made their own. They had created kites out of brown paper and mixed flour and water for glue. Fortunately, there was a breeze, and soon the children were flying kites. "I say we plan a picnic," dreamed Elizabeth. "Yeah, we could pile into Mr. Smith's truck and go fishing at the Ohio River," suggested George. "We could stay overnight and have a camp out," added Robert. "It's practically free entertainment, except for the cost of gas." The three children nodded glumly. But George wasn't giving up on the idea. "How about I help Mrs. Smith plant a garden? Instead of paying me money, we could ask for payment in gasoline. Then we can take the truck and go camping." Rarely did the three children feel bored during the Depression, because a little imagination went a long way. And now for the questions. Again, you may go back and listen to the story to make sure you have all the correct answers. We encourage you to do so.